Hi, this is Adrian from White Hat Box. I'm going to show you some improvements to the variable parameters that we've introduced with this new edition of BotChief. So if I go into variable management, I can show you there. So if we could add a new variable, you can see we've got a few more options here now. So I'll go through each one. This first option is it's going to store the variable itself. There's no value that needs to be set for the variable to run, and it's just all done through the bot when it's run in BotChief. Some variables need to be initialized, which means you've got to set a value for it before it can run, an initial value. So you can have this option, and within that option there's two more options. First of all, there could be the case where there is a default value, which means that the user can either set a value when the program's run, or just leave it empty to use the default value that's already going to be there. Or it could be the case that there just isn't a default value and it needs the user to enter a default value before the bot can be run in BotChief, and BotChief would ask for that value. So moving down to this bottom panel here, there are two different types of variable. There's a local variable where if the program's using multi-threads, each thread, each instance of the program will use its own variable, completely different to all the other threads. So every variable in every thread is different when it's a local variable, and the main program, BotChief, cannot use that. It's there to help with the operation that the program is performing at the time. Then there's the global variable. When you're using multi-threads, all the instances of the bot in those threads will use exactly the same variable, and the main program, when it's using BotChief, can use that variable. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create a variable because we're going to need one for the next video tutorial, which is going to be the multi-level scraper. So in preparation for that, let's just create a quick variable, and this is going to be a table. And we'll have a column count of 3. Column 1 is going to be title. These are going to be search engine results. So column 2 would be the URL. And column 3 is going to be the snippet. And we'll give it a title. That's the name of the variable, search demo. Add that, and we're ready to go. So that's the new functions of the variable within BotChief. Thanks for watching this. Be sure to watch the next video, the multi-level scrape function, which will show us how to go ahead and utilize this particular variable. Thanks for watching.